is number 2. Ooh. So we got the Air Jordan 1 Mid SE, size 12, special edition. You already know what time it is. Jordan 1 Mid Oaklands, paid $222.81 after tax. The moment of truth, the moment of truth. The moment of truth. I like these. These are definitely a go. I like these for sure. Oh yeah, I like this material too. This weight material, how it go on and off, wax on, wax off, Mr. Miyagi. You feel me? Yes, sir. Let me know what y'all think about these, man. Let me know what y'all think about the Oakland. Honestly, I don't think I'm a resell, man. I honestly just think I'm a collect.